Rainy weather doesn't have to mean stale indoor air. In Mandeville, where moisture and rainfall are common, homeowners often face the challenge of keeping fresh air flowing without letting water inside. Awning windows offer a smart solution. Designed to open outward from the bottom while hinged at the top, awning windows allow ventilation even during rain. For Mandeville homes, they provide comfort, protection, and peace of mind in wet conditions. Designed to vent while blocking rain, the defining feature of awning windows is their top hinged design. When opened, the window sash forms a small canopy that deflects rain away from the opening. In Mandeville homes, this design allows homeowners to keep windows open during light to moderate rain, maintaining airflow without worrying about water intrusion. Supporting fresh air in humid conditions. Rain often brings increased humidity, which can make indoor air feel heavy and uncomfortable when windows stay closed. Awning windows help manage this by allowing controlled ventilation. For Mandeville homeowners, fresh air circulation helps reduce indoor moisture buildup and supports a more comfortable living environment during rainy days. Ideal for rooms prone to moisture. Certain areas of the home, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, benefit greatly from ventilation, especially during wet weather. Awning windows are commonly installed in these spaces in Mandeville homes because they allow moisture to escape without exposing interiors to rain. Protecting interiors from water damage. Water intrusion is a major concern during rainy conditions. Awning windows are designed with tight seals and fewer vulnerable gaps when closed. In Mandeville homes, properly installed awning windows help protect walls, flooring, and window frames from moisture-related damage. Reducing the need for mechanical ventilation. When windows can't be opened during rain, homeowners often rely more on fans or air conditioning to maintain comfort. Awning windows allow natural airflow during rainy weather, reducing dependence on mechanical systems and helping maintain a fresher indoor environment. Improving comfort without compromising security. Awning windows typically open only a few inches, providing ventilation while maintaining security. For Mandeville families, this controlled opening offers peace of mind, especially during overnight or rainy day ventilation. Enhancing energy efficiency during wet weather. Modern awning windows are designed to seal tightly when closed, preventing air leaks and helping maintain indoor temperatures. In Mandeville homes, this balance between ventilation and efficiency supports comfort without sacrificing energy performance. Durable performance in rainy environments. Awning windows are built with materials that withstand frequent exposure to moisture. High-quality frames and hardware resist corrosion and wear over time. For Mandeville homeowners, this durability ensures long-lasting performance in a climate where rain is a regular concern. Flexible placement for practical ventilation. Awning windows can be installed higher on walls or paired with fixed windows to enhance airflow without sacrificing privacy. In Mandeville homes, this flexibility allows homeowners to design ventilation solutions that suit their layout and lifestyle. Professional installation makes all the difference to perform effectively during rain. Awning windows must be installed correctly. Proper sealing, flashing, and alignment are essential. Professional installation ensures awning windows in Mandeville homes provide reliable ventilation and protection for years to come. A smart window choice for rainy days. In Mandeville, awning windows offer a practical solution for homes that need ventilation during rain. Their unique design supports fresh airflow, protects against water intrusion, and enhances indoor comfort. For Mandeville homeowners, awning windows deliver dependable performance that makes rainy days more comfortable and worry-free.